Hey guys, we're doing a total drama tier list. Many people, 101 hard eyes. Oh, even though I'm gonna do it too, even though I didn't do the task. Cody. I'll put him in the nay. He's not bad, but I did like him in World Tour. Courtney. The angry good. Courtney, the CIT. The one who meant that a few people thought said the F word, which I canceled the video about. Deleted. I give her a B. DJ. You have. Wait, where's DJ? Where did I put DJ? Oh, here's DJ. Oh, DJ. I'll put him a B. He's not bad. Eva. Nope. I hate Eva. I hate Eva. Sorry for all you Eva fans, but I'll just change the color. Red. And I'll make this orange. Yep, this yellow. This is light green. This is actually this. Yes, that's what I like to do. Ezekiel. Sorry for all you Ezekiel haters, but what exactly happened? Oh, how do we start it? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, better. Ezekiel. Sorry for all you Ezekiel haters, but I kind of like Ezekiel. I'll put him in an A. Harold. Yes. Heather, the best total drama villain. I want to put him in an S, but I'll put my top 10. So Heather's going there. Two of my top 10 favorite characters. Izzy. Pretty good. I'll give her an A. Lashana and Noah. Kind of great. Trent. Not bad. Amy. Done. Nope, I hated Amy. Amy's evil. Amy, I think she's kind of annoying. Can't change the label name. A little below. What happened? Oh. What do I name it? New. Excuse me. Oh. Delete row. Okay, now back to normal. B. I hate B. Owen. Duncan. Alejandro. Tyler. Count Guanilla. Sierra. I think she's kind of bland. He has no screen. I'll put Trent here and Gwen. Dakota. Yep, I would put Dakota here. But it isn't her turn yet, so. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beth. I just saw in line when he voted for Beth. I'll put her in a B for Beth. And have another joke. B for B. But put him back in a D. He's horrible. Brick. He's good. I give him a B for Brick. Bridget for B. Bridget. Brody. B. Wait a second. Where's Brody again? This is the second time I lost a total drama character. B for Brody. I guess I'll put them here. They're better. Nothing. Cameron. Carrie. Chef. I kind of like Chef, but at the same time, I kind of don't. I'll put him in an A, not bad. Like Cody. Wait until you get the parts like Lindsay, and they're awesome. Chet, I don't see him a lot. Plus, I don't think he's good. C for Chet. Chris McLean. I'll put him in a B. Chris McLean, Crimson. Who could hate the Goths? Dave. I changed my opinion on Dave. Now done. Dave sucks. He's annoying. And Dakota. And D for Dave. He's like Dawn. Dawn is great. I'll put her in an A. I said, never mind. I'll put her in an S. Dakota. Why do I put you? A C. Not bad. Dakota's. I don't hate her and I don't love her. I think that should be CB. Devin. Why should Devin not be with Carrie? He should. Dawn. Here's the Dawn and Dawn are the same word. Dawn. I mean the same. You hear the same thing. Dawn and Dawn. I think that's kind of annoying, but I'll put him with the host because why not? Dwayne. I think he's great. Ella. We had enough Snow Whites. Put her in a B. Elodie. C. Not bad. Kid. Emma. Emma has tools different from Ellen. These are kind of different. But I'll put her in a B. B. Inui, whatever you could call him. Oh, I'll put him with Crimson, because why not? Jeff. He's great. I'll put him in A. Gary, I don't see him a lot. I'll put him in a C. Sorry, Gary fans. Even though I don't think there are any. Blaney. Jacques, he's not bad. Jasmine. Still 3 more of my favorites. 3 more of my favorites. Right here. See if you can spot them. Hint. They are all ladies. So, no men. Sorry, Jay, Junior, Justin, Leonard, Lorenzo, Max, Mickey, Mike, Pete, Rock, Rodney, Ryan, Sam, Scott, Sean, Sean, Spud, Lightning, Tom, and Tate, and Topher fans. But it's not Stacy. She's horrible. Jay. I'll put him in a A. He's good. Jen. I don't see her that much. Joe, I think my mom here. Jose. I like Jack West more than Jose. Whoops. I don't like not pronounced Jose Jr. Where is? Yep, here with his father. I don't see. Oh, he's here. Justin. I hate him. Katie and Sadie, of course. I'll put them here. They're not too bad, but at the same time, they're kind of bad. Kelly. Kitty, Laurie, Leonard, Lindsay, yep, Lindsay. Now I'm gonna put my 2 favorites, Sanders and MacArthur. Yeah, I think they're really cool, Sanders and MacArthur. I think I'll do them one by one. I'm done with the S tier now, an A. Who's an A? It's J. Yep. Mickey, I'll give him an A. Mickey, Mike, Sammy, whoops. Scott isn't bad. I'll put him in an A. I like Scott. And lastly, but not least, is he Sean? Yes, and a B, neutral. Oh, low battery. Quick. I'll put Zoe in an A. Whoops, I forgot Zoe in an A. Yeah. Lightning is going in a B. Only lightning. A. So there are gonna be C and D's. So Lorenzo, Mary, Max, Miles, Pete. Oh, I forgot about Rock. Put him here. Actually, yep. Rodney, Ryan. Oh, up Sky. Guess I'll just put her here. Scarlett, nope. Spud, he's kind of lazy. Not to be mean or anything. Stephanie, Sugar, Taylor. Oh, I forgot to put Tom. Topher. I'll put Tammy here. Scarlett. Tammy right here. Scarlett right here. So this is my tier list of total drama. Too sad they didn't add Mr. Coconut, so I would put him in an S tier and kind of moved on and put her in an A. I'll do them in that. My favorite is Owen or Lindsay, tied. 3rd, Noah. 4th, Harold. 5th, Lashana. Dawn. Yes, this is the order. Nope. If Mr. Coconut was here, I would put him in a B. So this is my tier list of total drama. I hope we get 3 likes. Smash 3 likes. And I'll end the video.